Here you have, going across, is your sagittal fissure. And right here, going across horizontally, is your central sulcus, with this being your frontal lobe, this being your parietal lobe, this being your occipital lobe, and this one being your temporal lobe. And back here you have your cerebellum, which is both sides, and with here being your vermis. And down with the spinal cord, you also have up here, is you have the medulla. Right here, this is called the corpus callosum, and then this membrane right here that's really thin is called the septum pellucidum, which in here is the third ventricle that comes down and passes through this membrane down through the aqueduct, which is the cerebral aqueduct, leads into the fourth ventricle. Right here you have this cerebrium up on here, and then come down here. This line right here is the corpus callosum, and down where this flap is the septum pellucidum, and this right here, this down it's kind of cut off, is the optic chiasma, and through the optic chiasma comes over here is the hypothalamus, and this little thing down here is the maxillary body, and over this right here is the fornix, and the pineal gland is right here, and this is the superior calcaneus, the inferior calcaneus, this is the medulla oblongata, the pons is not attached anymore, and this is of course the third ventricle that comes down and over here and comes through this, we can't really see it, but it comes down here, is the cerebral aqueduct, and it comes down to the fourth ventricle. The spinal cord is right here, as well as this is the cerebellum, this entire thing, but these veins in here are the arbor vitae. That's it.